today we're going to talk about what to do with recycled water bottles. So for this first project, I'm going to go ahead and remove the lid. I can take the tag off if I'd like to or not, so I'll just go ahead and do that. Now the next step is cutting your water bottle, and there's a lot of ways to do that depending upon the thickness, but I'm just using a regular kitchen scissors, and I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of cut down the line, and it doesn't need to be perfect. Now the next thing I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and take some apple cider vinegar, and I'm going to pour that inside. And you don't need very much. Now you can dilute this if you want, you don't need to. But the next thing we're going to do is take the lid and place it upside down, like so. So I've just got some good old painter's tape. I'm just going to take off a great big amount, and then I'm just going to tape these together. So I'm just adding the tape, so I've sealed this together so it's nice and solid. And the flies will go in here to find the apple cider vinegar, and then they get trapped in there. They can't figure out their way out, and they end up dying. So it can be a fruit. If you have fruit flies, you can put some fruit in here too, but ultimately it's a bug trap. You can also put these around your porch to help you with outdoors as well. For this next one, I just have an empty water bottle here. I'm gonna tip it up. And then what I'm going to do is add just water to it. So this is just regular tap water, and you can use a funnel if you want to pour the water inside, but you're just going to go ahead and fill it up with regular water for this next step. And we're gonna focus next on the lid here. So this is just an old pot holder I've got that I'm gonna protect my surface. This is a punch, and then here's the lid. And I've got the lid so the open part is down and the top of the lid is up. And all I'm gonna do is just poke random holes into the lid. Once you've poked the holes into the lid, and I'm gonna bring my bottle of water back, and I'm gonna screw it onto the top, like so. For this next one, it's the bottom half of the container, and I filled it with some dirt. Now what I have here is some mint, so I'm gonna go ahead and place the mint into the container with the dirt and press it down. Now you could do this with any herb that you want, but as you can see here, I have made an herb garden. So super easy, and I could place this in my kitchen. So if you don't have a lot of space or a yard, you could build these inside your home. They can sit on windowsills. You can have this in the winter time in your home. Now earlier we made this one with the holes in the middle. So now what I've done is I've made myself an indoor watering can, or you could use this outside on your porch too, but I simply am going to go ahead and water my plant. So all you have to do is get in by your plant, dig a nice little hole, and then get your water to stay in there, and it will drain into the plant.